Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and carwash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-News, Kleen-Rite Corporation has opened a distribution center in Kansas City, Missouri. Replacing the previous distribution center, the new facility has more space to stock an expanded inventory selection and ship products faster in the region. It also offers more convenient physical access, making it easier for customers to pick up their products on site. Kleen-Rite says the move is part of Kleen-Rite's ongoing commitment to improving how it serves customers. Kleen-Rite encourages nearby car wash owners, detailers, and pressure washers to visit the new facility and looks forward to making this a key hub for customers in the surrounding area. Express Wash Concepts announced its second Clean Express Auto Wash is open and washing cars in Roseville, Michigan. From June 21st to the 30th of 2024, this location will celebrate its grand opening with all customers receiving a free Cleanest Ultra Signature Wash featuring ceramic. For every new member sign-up throughout the grand opening period, Clean Express will donate $10 to the Destined for Greatness Mentoring and Community Resource Center, helping fulfill their mission of making a long-lasting impact to those in need. The company's first Detroit Express Wash location opened in March, and a third is scheduled to open in Waterford Township in early fall this year. An additional 35 EWC locations are scheduled to open by early 2025, including 10 across Detroit. Splash Car Wash will also be opening 4 new locations in Arkansas. This will bring the company's total car wash count to 31. The Fayetteville location just opened this month with an express wash tunnel and free high-powered vacuums. 3 others will open in Pea Ridge, Arkansas, Centerton, Arkansas, and Farmington, Arkansas. The Pea Ridge location is expected to open later this year, and the Centerton and Farmington locations are expected to open in early 2025. On top of that, Splash Car Wash also hired a new CFO. Catherine Rogers is now the company's new Chief Financial Officer as of April 2024. Rogers will be responsible for leading the company's finance and accounting team. Speaking of new hires, DRB has hired a new Vice President of Product Management. April Bertram will shape the future of DRB's product portfolio throughout the entire product lifecycle in her role. She will ensure DRB's product vision, strategies, and roadmaps are deeply rooted in customer research and address critical customer needs. Prior to joining DRB, she led cross-functional global teams at Lenovo and spent over a decade at Gojo Industries. And finally, Autobell Car Wash customers can help bring hope and joy to the lives of critically ill children while giving their own cars a shine. The company will donate $1 from every sale of its rain repellent special wash to the Make-A-Wish Foundation until June 30th, 2024. Make-A-Wish grants more than 15,000 wishes each year, and the fundraiser will take place at all Autobell locations in North and South Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, and Delaware. The washes are open daily, and hours vary by location. Customers may also use the Autobell app to purchase a rain repellent special wash in support of Make-A-Wish. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander. Until next time, keep on sparkling.